Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial on HTML5. If you ever struggle to make a div center aligned web page, so here is a simple solution. Just like as shown in this example, this div or box which is center aligned vertically and horizontally. Regardless of the screen resolution, whatever it might be, it will be center aligned always. To achieve this one, you can make use of some of the CSS styles and make a division or image or any HTML element center aligned. So let's see the simplest solution how we can achieve this one in our website. Currently I have a basic code for a box. If you preview this one in browser, you can see it is displaying at the top and it is not centrally aligned. To make this center aligned, you need to apply some of the CSS styles as I mentioned earlier. You need to apply CSS style to the body. First thing you need to add here is display flex. This will turn the body into a flex container. Flexbox is a layout system that allows you to easily control the positioning of the elements. By making use of this one, we are going to position this div to the center. Next, add justify content and assign it to center. This centers the content horizontal within the flex container. Then the next CSS property which you need to add is align items and assign a property center to it. This will center the contents vertically to the center within the flex container. Then the next property is add height and make it 100 VH. This sets the height of the body to 100% of the viewport, which means with the height of the body to 100% of the browser's window. This helps us in centering the content both vertically and horizontally. Finally, add one more property that is margin 0. This removes any default margin around the body, ensuring that the center box is flush against the edges of the viewport. That's it. These are some of the CSS properties which you need to add to body. Now save this and go back to browser to preview this one. Refresh the page now. Now you can see the division or the box which we have created is vertically and horizontally center aligned. So this is the simplest way. By using flex method in CSS, we can make a box center aligned. That's it guys for this short video. If you have any questions, please put it in the video comments. Thanks for watching this. If you like this, please click on like button, share it with others and subscribe to my channel.